Simple knowledge, guys. Here we have a container with salt water, or in this case I used baking soda water. Then we have a positive and a negative with, yes, I cut myself while cutting these. Anyways, positive and negative, don't let them touch each other or else they'll catch fire or do something stupid. You need 2 points of contact for positive and negative, 12 volts. And then I have a hose that's going to run into the flashback bubbler so that we don't have any explosions. I take this, put it together. Take that, put it together. Put the flashback bubbler. Can't. It's just, this is a prototype, so just so you know. Flashback bubbler. And then we'll start with the negative. The negative. Hook up the negative and the positive. See, definitely got power. 12 volts of power. And it's still not working. And there we go. That's making straight hydrogen. Well, actually, no, it's hydrogen and oxygen mixed, but nonetheless, it's flammable. Hydrogen fuel cell. 12 volt battery, hydrogen fuel cell, got fuel.